Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and imaginative concepts in the world of motorcycle travel and compact living, the 2026 Honda Goldwing Tiny Home Camper. This is not just a bike upgrade or a simple trailer idea. This is a bold rethinking of what long-distance touring can look like when comfort, technology, and freedom all come together in one incredible package. The Honda Goldwing has always been known as the king of touring motorcycles. For decades, it has set the standard for smooth performance, reliability, and luxury on two wheels. Now, with this 2026 tiny home camper concept, Honda takes that reputation to a whole new level. The idea is simple but powerful. Combine the legendary Goldwing platform with a compact, fully functional living space that allows riders to travel farther, stay longer, and live more comfortably on the road. Let's start with the design, because that's where the first impression truly hits. The motorcycle itself keeps the iconic Goldwing silhouette, muscular yet elegant, with flowing aerodynamic lines and a premium finish that instantly communicates quality. Attached behind it is the tiny home camper unit, designed to be lightweight, balanced, and perfectly integrated with the bike's proportions. The camper shell is built using advanced composite materials and aluminum framing, keeping the weight low while maintaining strength and durability. Honda's engineers clearly focused on stability, ensuring that the extra load doesn't compromise handling or safety at highway speeds. Step inside the tiny home camper, and the story becomes even more impressive. The interior is compact, of course, but every inch has been carefully planned. There is a convertible sleeping area that transforms into a small seating space during the day. High-density memory foam cushioning ensures real comfort, not just something that looks good in photos. Along one side, you'll find a compact kitchenette with a small induction cooktop, a sink with freshwater storage, and modular cabinets for utensils and food supplies. Everything locks securely in place for travel, eliminating rattling or movement while riding. LED lighting runs throughout the interior, creating a warm and modern atmosphere while consuming very little power. Power management is another highlight of this 2026 concept. The camper includes integrated lithium battery packs that are charged directly from the motorcycle while riding. On top of that, thin, flexible solar panels are mounted on the roof of the camper, allowing riders to recharge even when parked in remote locations. Climate control is something rarely discussed in motorcycle camping, but Honda didn't overlook it here. The tiny home camper features a compact ventilation and heating system designed to keep the interior comfortable in both hot and cold weather. It's not full-scale air conditioning like in a luxury RV,